Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Nice sunny clear skies today, but the winds picked up this afternoon as we expected, and today will sort of be the beginning of what is likely going to be a breezy couple of days. You might want to hang on to the old hairpiece, especially tomorrow, as we're expecting the winds to be even stronger than what we saw today. I'll tell you why that is in just a second. First, as we go outside the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep, everything's all quiet, although it's a little cooler today than what we saw yesterday. Certainly, everybody in the 80s yesterday, widespread 70s and even some 60s and 50s out there today. Now, because of the dry conditions, the low humidity that we're expecting that's already there now will get even lower as we head in towards overnight and tomorrow. And easterly gusty winds, red flag warnings have been posted pretty much for the entire western Oregon landscape here, from the coast all the way up into the foothills. And that starts at midnight tonight, goes all the way through around 6 p.m. on Thursday. Check out this contrast. Remember, we were talking about the low mid 80s yesterday. 74 our high today, a little closer to that average, and that's even starting off nice and warm this morning at around 53. We're going to watch those overnight lows dip pretty quickly as we go overnight tonight, an indication also of a cooler air mass starting to build in. So warm spot down in Medford at 88 today, a little cooler as you travel north up the I-5. Pair of 74s here in the central Southern Valley. Remember the 60s and 70s at the coast yesterday? Not today. Things in the 50s. And as we go overnight tonight, we'll continue to keep a chilly couple of nights. And in fact, I'm expecting to see some frost in the foothills and maybe in some of the surrounding areas around the valley floor here. We'll have to watch and see how light the winds get. That will certainly help our cooling tonight and tomorrow. Windy as we go into Wednesday. The sunny forecast will continue as well. So as we go overnight tonight with the winds starting to go light, we'll go in the upper to mid 30s across the valley. Low 40s in Roseburg, and winds will stay up, thus we'll keep the temperatures in the low 40s as we get in towards the coastline. So here's what we've got: an area of low pressure that will be sliding into the Rockies, producing the back end winds. We've got high pressure aloft to the west of us, producing winds off it as well. Both of those squeezing together, and that's what creates that tight pressure gradient, those lines of pressure in the atmosphere that squeeze across the state. Now, they'll eventually relax as we go to Thursday night and Friday, but that high is pretty much going to dominate our weather pattern, and so we'll keep things sunny, as you can see, even along the coast for the next 4 to 5 days. Now, an upper level low will switch the winds out of the south by Saturday and Sunday. That'll push that marine layer back, but it's not going to bring any rain with it, though it'll stay pretty far offshore. In the Umpqua, low 70s for tomorrow, sunny, and then we warm up just a tad as we go to the back end of the week and into the weekend. Nothing major, but the overnight lows kind of warm up again. Cascade, sunny and breezy, east winds there. Same thing out in Bend and Redmond. We'll see low 60s. Watch those overnight lows dip into the upper 30s and hover around freezing all the way through the end of the week. And finally, here in the valley, we'll see around 70 to 72 degrees tomorrow. Overnight lows dipping close to freezing. We'll call mid-30s. Again, surrounding areas, you get some elevation. You'll probably see some light frost. Otherwise, pretty comfortable. Nice chilly starts. Very sunny finishes as we go all the way into the weekend, and still dry. That's the big story.
Thanks, Justin.
You got it.